Menteri Kecnat Revenue and Disaster Management Kyrmen day lang wa Menteri Kecnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary UAL heng ne the one ki chajwai yo penman ya lang yo ya kalam heyato wa I ktah ne joor uslap hakini kisngi wadalai ha is wa West Jaiñtia Hills kam ju yo booddien ye wadau yarap. De lang hagani kaya lang wagi DC ki ar district UBS so liya wa Abilash Baranwal USDO ka Amlarem Civil Subdivision Dr. Abhishek Saini MB Tongper ADC Jawai ka J Kharpuri ADC Cleariat US Panbo wa WK Kharbuli Assistant Commissioner Jawai Superintendent of Police Chempang Shirti Dr. B Langbang BDO Thalas Kainsian di blok waki he kicnat sorkar wa lang dapan man ha conference room Deputy Commissioner Hajwai. Nailiang UAL hek doong wa ithong wa wan kito yo tip hadu katwan chah ktah ki yung kisem kamju ki luti sengkein na ini I joor slap we wo penti kena wa waro ki wa chah ktah uyo yarap ki hapo sopa pra kenta wa jia yaki dewa pen kam da ka poisa ka wa da chwa klem da pen slem. Nailiang Kyrmen da ban joor ye kam wa ki chnat wa pai yaki ni ki kam to ule ki wood ye kam yong ki klem da yang yaki bru ka disaster management nei bha dewa le kam ni daw smart open poi ye yarap. Nailiang ki DC da khana ki ye wa chah ktah I wa jia ki district yong ki he wa ki sarok kamju ki yingkin ki wa chah ktah da pentip ki wa le I or khandau I chah tempat ki chrot bordin wa ki wi we le smart ki wo yarap cha ki wa chah ktah hawa khenye chah ktah ki yung ki sem wa ki chnong ki thau da man I wa duna ba ki ar district we do ye mensen bro ha West Jaiñtia Hills like no wi ha East Jaiñtia Hills district u wa khlat nei cha ban khandau I yung he por wa wan ka cyclone remal da pentip ki le wa da bu da ki quick response team ha ki district
strike by a thunder. So this thunder strike and that the bridge has damage. So he called me and he said, what is the help? How do we go ahead? So I would like to request our officers, since we have all the officers from different departments. So if it happens to be at your department, please kindly take a serious note on this and then try to show them what to do, what is the next steps. Because there are times that it got confused that maybe the disaster management has to pay and then do repairing for this bridge, or maybe the PWD, or maybe the Mandriga. So many confusion. Sometimes I am as a minister here, I will reveal this in front of you that sometimes we got confused with all of this. So we would like to request, so let's work together, and I see that all of you are very serious to tackle the issues. But I believe this kind of confusion, if we support each other, no doubt, even the honorable MLAs and especially the public, they will get the benefits in a very in a short periods of time, as much as we can deliver our services to them. So it's so nice to hear that, especially yesterday, all the deputy commissioner of different districts, they have been there and they have heard the discussion yesterday with the honorable chief minister, as per directed, that the fund allotted to all the deputy commissioner, that is in your hand to disburse it as early as possible. If possible, within 48 hours, it should be reached to the beneficiaries, so that they will have, they can at least get something for what has been damaged to them, and then do the needful to support their family. So I have seen that almost, I can say all the district has been following this, and we would like to request you from even now also, from now on, you can go ahead with this, disburse of the fund, because that fund is not mandatory that you have to wait, and it's a fund where if this money, 50 lakh, is not enough, it can be extended as early as possible, and you just need to send a proposal.
What the damage faced by the people in all the areas of the districts. So hope also today we have come all the way from Shillong with the instructions and the directions given by the Honorable Chief Minister, and also the Cabinet has decided yesterday only to send to all the ministers to different districts of the states to assess the damage, whatever the property damage, the road damage, whatever the damage has been done during this monsoon, to do the inventory and also to get the immediate relief within 48 hours. They are told not to wait for any funding from any other sources. Whatever funding that you are having in your place, you have to be deliver immediately to ensure that they are reached out to the people. So that is the only thing. But we like to thank you to all of you also, particularly to our DCs. They have already taken immediate action. They have sent a rapid response team to go immediately to the site and also to assess. And they have done also, I hope, the inventory about the damage that has been done during this monsoon. So this my introductions. We are open for the interactions now. Thank you.